That was fun. I'm getting a little hungry though. Yeah, I should go make a sandwich. How do I make a sandwich? Well, I know you need bread, so let's get some bread. Alright, so we got the bread. Alright. I should probably use this bread. Yeah. Don't be wasteful. Put that in there. Now, let's get some peanut butter. And some... No! Where's the jelly? Oh. There it is. Yeah, I got everything I need for a sandwich, but I have 2 extra pieces of bread, and I don't need them. One's a back piece. No one likes the back pieces. I have an idea. I've always wanted to do it. Do it. Go. That was so fun. Mario would never let me do this, but I'm pretty sure he's still sulking about Peach being kidnapped. That's funny. Now, time for the bread. Yes, I'm just gonna throw it again. Now it's time for the peanut butter. Alright. This is so fun. Alright, now time to get back to making my sandwich. My peanut butter jelly sandwich is finished. But, look at this whole big mess. Who's gonna clean it? That's future Luigi's problem. Time to eat it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, this is so good. Oh, Luigi. Luigi, you've outdone yourself. Oh, Luigi's sandwich is so good. Oh my goodness. Time to clean myself up. I didn't eat all of it, and I'm still kind of bored, so let me just grab it. Just grab this, and yeah. Whoops, my hat came off. Yoshi! Luigi! Luigi! Did you make a mess? Yeah, what's the big deal? Oh my god, Mario's kind of furious! Come on, you gotta clean him, man. Look behind you. Yeah, you're gonna need that. Where the hell did you go? I guess I should get cleaning. Guess I'll get the spray bottle. Here. Come on, spray bottle. Don't fail me now. Just... How do I clean? Hey Alexa, how do I clean a big mess up?
Start by breaking it down into smaller tasks. Tackle one area at a time.
Okay.
You'll make progress before you know it.
Okay, thank you, Alexa. Oh, okay.
You're welcome.
So
Happy to help tackle that mess.
Just gotta get the spray bottle. Ooh, or the splash zone. Guess I should get back and just spray it. It's kind of fun. Guess I should get down to cleaning more. Alexa actually helped. Wow. This is pretty spotless in here. Let me smell it. I think it smells fine. Let me see. Again. Yeah, I think that's fine. Now time to go find. Can't believe that idiot Yoshi actually fell for cleaning my. Yeah. Maybe he won't notice. Luigi. Yes, Yoshi. You really didn't expect me to clean that mess. Yeah, I kinda did. Well, I did. So now you owe me a yes day. You little dinosaur. Okay, fine, no yes days, but just you owe me a favor. Okay. What's the favor? Get off of me, Luigi. Okay. So what do you want? You know how Mario's girlfriend got kidnapped, right? Yeah. Well, let's just say you're gonna find her. What? In the next video called Bowser's Revenge Part 2. Alright, yeah, this is just like a stupid ending to Luigi's Sandwich.